Hello, and welcome back to Banging Your Head Until the Right Answer Comes Out. This is going to be a micro episode, less than a minute, possibly. What I wanted to show here is that the next video is going to be how to set up MFA on your phone and your AWS account. This way, a username and a password, you need more than that to be able to log in to your AWS account. So, you go to the Play Store on your phone, and that's a little slow. Hey, it's working. And we type in Authy Authenticator App, or since I've done it before, that's right here. So this is Twilio Authy two-factor authentication. So you need to install this, and then you'll open it, and I'll talk you through the other steps later. Thanks.